Ren Pedersen's given us a ring. Ren, who's done outstanding work. The cure starts now. Good to hear from you, Ren. What's the latest?
Hey, Greg, it's a privilege again, buddy, to talk to you. Mate, just a very brief tie-in with what you were just alluding to, mate, about natural remedies and the like. I was down in Melbourne a couple of weeks ago, Greg, to hand over another $109,000 to Monash, our friends at Monash Institute of Medical Research there, Greg. What our friends in Monash are doing, mate, is they're harvesting the amniotic stem cells from a mother's placenta, and they've found that in the lab there's a huge potential for these particular stem cells to be utilised to combat paediatric brain tumours, Greg, and in particular one that you've so graciously discussed with us over time called DIPG, Greg. So watch this space over coming years, mate. I just wanted to also quickly stick in, Greg. I'm so thankful for you, buddy. For you were probably the first person who took the time to speak to me, and in the last 3 years we've collectively helped raise well over $1 million for paediatric brain cancer research, and in particular DIPG, Greg. So just a thank you, mate. You'll be sorely missed by myself personally and so many others, mate. I really mean that, Greg.
You've done extraordinary work, Ren, and it's been an absolute pleasure to play a small part in the very hard work that you're doing and the many great achievements that you're now recording. It's fantastic, Ren, isn't it? These things develop their own momentum, and we were talking a little earlier about, you wonder what kind of things they're going to create or develop down the road. With people like you out there, mate, they'll develop all kinds of cures to all kinds of things.
Oh no, I'm just a foot soldier in it all. But it's fascinating, mate, how there are so many different causes as you get in touch with different people from all aspects of so many realms, and yet there are these particular types of children's brain tumours that have had no research and no funding, and again, we're getting the ball rolling, and mate, over the years, a man of your intellect and experience, you'll never encounter a more important medical issue, buddy. Never. So I thank you again, Greg, and mate, you enjoy your well-deserved time off, and keep an eye out for us in the future, mate. And you can walk tall that you were there with us right from the start.
Well, I'll do that. Don't worry about that, and we'll stay in touch, Ren. All the very best.
Thank you very much, Greg. Good on you. Merry Christmas, my friend.
And to you, Ren. Ren Pedersen. Ren lost his child and dedicated himself to finding a cure to something people knew very little about. And due to his fundraising efforts, and many who are listening now have helped him along the way as well, some gains are being made, and research that hadn't been started is now being done. And that's wonderful, isn't it? 26 to 10 our time.